is me, Daniel. Just letting you guys know I'm here at the Apostolic Church here in Centro on the corner of 427 East Hope Street. I was baptized here. This is where I was raised. There was a door back here back in the 80s and 90s. There was a door entrance, but all that changed. And back in the, I'd say mid 90s, 2000s, when the pastor Barrientos changed the whole construction. But back there, we didn't have all this. Our main corner was that side was our music equipment, was a little corner door raised here. And then at the time, back in 88, I got baptized by my grandpa, Enrique Sacido. He baptized me there. But my ministry started here in the music here as a drummer. Back in the day, we didn't have all this. All this has changed. Like I said, church upgrade, I call it. And then in the music side, I would play the drums on this side and the keyboard was on this side. But everything has changed, like technology-wise. And I'm doing a little recap because I see the youth walking in. But anyways, that's just a part that you guys didn't see on my other YouTube channel. So I'm just showing you guys a glimpse of Centro Apostolic, where I was raised at and born at. But now that I'm in Oregon, you know, it's been a technology change. They need to upgrade here as technology as well. But yeah, that's where I'm letting you guys know. This is where my ministry started. And that's it. I'm going to keep it short to the point. Thank you. And that drum set we had, at the time we had a CB700. The Pearl set came out back in when Brother Steve was pastor here. I think we got this drum set here. But so far, the music equipment hasn't changed as much. The PowerPoint has changed, of course, but mostly I was talking to Cecilio earlier. Cecilio's here. He was our bass player back in the 80s and 90s. And that's just a recap, you guys. And a glimpse on the youth right there, because he's a drummer. I saw him drumming, so. But yeah, like I said, back in the 80s and 90s, that door was the main door for us. That door wasn't here. That door was our exit. That was exit to the pastor's house. And that other door went to the pastor's house, because back in the day, we didn't have all this. But like I said, technology has changed. That's all I gotta say. I'm back home where my roots started, but now I'm in Oregon. Came to see Mom. My mom's doing fine, so. And that same pulpit's still here. That's all I gotta say. Thank you guys, and we'll talk later.